In this video, we are going to learn how to solve a pretty popular SQL interview problem from Amazon called revenue over time. This is one of the hard SQL interview problems I think everyone needs to learn how to answer. The reason being is because this is a really common business use case, especially if you work in retail or finance. Now, let's look at the description first. Find the 3-month rolling average of total revenue from purchases given a table with users, their purchase amount, and date purchase. Do not include returns which are represented by negative purchase values. Output the year-month and 3-month rolling average of revenue, sorted from earliest month to latest month. A 3-month rolling average is defined by calculating the average total revenue from all user purchases for the current month and previous 2 months. The first 2 months will not be a true 3-month rolling average since we are not given data from last year. Assume each month has at least one purchase, and we are giving a table called Amazon Purchases. If we preview the Amazon Purchases table, we have 3 columns: used ID, created at, and purchase amount. To solve this problem, I will break down the solution into 2 steps. In step 1, we will calculate the total revenue for each month. In the select statement here, I format the date into a year-month string, sum up the purchase amounts, exclude the returns, and group the results set by month. This gives us a clean monthly view of our revenue. If we review the output, we now have a base table for each period and the total purchase amount. To make our life easier, we're going to convert the query into a CTE called base table. CTE stands for Common Table Expression. You can think of CTE as a temporary result set that works like a regular table. Now, to perform the 3-month rolling average of total revenue, I will be using a window function. A window function in SQL is a function that performs calculations across a set of rows that are related to the current row. It allows you to compute values based on a group of rows while still returning a result for each row individually. Here I will select period from the base table. And to calculate the 3-month rolling average, insert the average function to calculate the average based on the purchase amount column, then use the over clause to turn the aggregate function into a window function. Inside the over clause, start with the order by statement to sort the period in ascending order. And to define the calculation range, type rows between 2 preceding and current row. What this statement is saying is, start the window 2 rows before the current row, and extend to the current row. Now let's run the query and see what we get. From the output, if you manually calculate the 3-month rolling average, the numbers should be the same. Now if I click Check Solution, the system will mark the question as solved. This is everything I am going to cover for this video. Hopefully you guys find the video useful. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more SQL solution videos like this. See you in the next one.